Hi guys, it's Lincoln here, and today I've got something super special to tell you. It's a new software that was just released, and you're absolutely going to love it. In fact, this got me excited, and it's really something that can help you in your business. I'm now going to show you the demo in a second, but before I do that, I want you to click the link below this video to check out the special bonuses that you can get if you pick it up through my link. Okay, let's jump in and see the video.
Unlock your potential with our exciting live training workshop, where you'll learn how to harness the power of WorkForce AI to build a thriving six-figure business. With DeepSeek AI's multi-AI technology, you can automate all aspects of your operations, eliminating the need for expensive staff while generating consistent income. This free online masterclass will provide practical strategies for creating high-converting content that works around the clock, allowing you to focus on growth rather than daily tasks. Whether you're a business owner, digital marketer, or entrepreneur, our session will teach you how to leverage AI to streamline your efforts, saving you time and money. Discover how you can produce stunning visuals, compelling copy, and powerful voiceovers that outperform traditional methods. Plus, find out how to sell AI services to local businesses effortlessly, even if you have no technical background. Not only will you gain valuable insights, but you'll also have the chance to win exciting prizes and receive exclusive bonuses just for attending. Don't miss your opportunity to join us live and step into the future of business automation with WorkForce AI. Sign up now and get ready to transform your approach to business.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. See you then.